all the good you can, for all the people you can, in all the ways you can, as long as you can. A very cheerful good morning to respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Stephen Sebastian from class 6th, along with my classmate, welcome you all for today's digital assembly. Prayer is a way of relating to God, to ourselves, and those around us. It is learning to be in the presence of God. So, let's begin our assembly with a beautiful prayer song. I request Father Principal to kindly lead us with the prayer.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
Scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth, scenes of a childhood, scenes of a youth. The school we love and cherish young. The school we love and cherish young. Preparing us for lifelong dreams. Preparing us for lifelong dreams. St. Xavier's forever we will show. St. Xavier's forever we will show.
are like branches on a tree. We grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. Now, I would call my friend to say a few words on the topic family.
Morning everyone, myself Kavya Thakkar from Standard 6th. Today I am going to speak on unity, the power of togetherness. Unity is an important element for the society we live in as we all together for this whole nation. Unity represents togetherness and being there for each other. Like we all are one, therefore in unity everyone stand together for every big and small problem and help each other. Thought out, unity has power to change the world and thought of people. If we stay united, we can achieve everything. I would like to end my speech with a quote. Unity is strength, division is weakness. So let us stay united. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Humble means recognizing that we are not honored to see how much important we can become, but to see how much difference we can make in others' life. Now, I would like to call my friend to say a few words on the topic being humble.
Good morning to respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers and all my dear parents. My today's topic is Be Humble, a gift that can everyone afford. Being humble means you do things out of the kindness of your heart without the expectation of anything in return, even gratitude. Being humble means that you are not boastful or arrogant and that you do not put yourself at a higher position than anyone else. You do not have to move mountains and part of seas. You all have to do is hold the door for someone. Thought of the day, being humble is to be felt. It's not something that you show off. Thank you for your patience listening and have a wonderful day ahead.
Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Now, my classmate would share with you more about unity is strength.
Good morning, respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Jian Chatlani of Standard 6th. I am going to tell you about unity, the power of togetherness. Unity is strength. If we stay together, then nobody can break us. Unity is very important for any team or crew. You cannot break a heap of brick, but you can break a single brick. If we stand together, we can fight with any problems. Togetherness makes things easy. Sometimes we cannot do the things alone. We need the support of others. With unity, we can achieve everything. Unity is important not only in social life but also in personal life. People with unity can live a stress-free life as they solve the problems together. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Pledge is a way to show our love and respect towards nation. Now, I request our class teacher Sharon ma'am to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people, and my happiness lies in their well being and prosperity.
Now, I take this opportunity on behalf of Class 6th to thank our dear Father Principal for giving us this chance to conduct today's assembly. The national anthem presents a country's identity to the world and acts as an instrument of unity among its citizens. Now, let's get ready for the national anthem.